Well, if you have joined, join online. Join and then you could leave if you want. I actually wanted to start with a video today. बाजू के क्लास में जाके बैठ सकते हो, चाहिए तो वहाँ पे भावेश सर ही पढ़ा रहे हैं. Okay, so what we do today is, in the last class we were talking about service strategy, and for service strategy we talked about the service provider. We talked about three service providers. We talked about patents. We talked about the four P's which are associated with the service strategy. I hope you guys remember that. Some new places, I don't know, but this is what was being done for the last class. That was just yesterday, right? With today's class, what we are doing is we are moving ahead with service strategy itself, but we customer, and what are the things which you need to be taking into consideration while a customer to be choosing your service. So how different you could be, and how well you need to analyze the market before you launch any service is what we have to do. Okay, so we will talk a little bit about Shark Tanks. Are you guys watching it, or have you guys watched it? Yes, that's what I said. So are you guys watching it? आ गया है. On Sony just started, so I have asked you. हाँ, उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करते हैं. पहले एक छोटा सा रिविजिट करते हैं, रिकैप लेते हैं कल के लेक्चर का. अभी ये तुम लोग कैसे सुनोगे? मैं कैप्शंस ऑन करूँ? स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ. सॉरी, मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया. तुम लोग अपना एको बंद रखो वहां से. या ज्वाइन करके यू कैन लीव.
The service sector is so huge and diverse that coming up with a single line definition of service is really difficult. 80% of developed countries, their economy is represented by service. So we're talking about large global organizations, we're talking about small independent SMEs, we're talking about complex public sector infrastructures. The fact that they're intangible means that actually understanding customer expectations of those services is quite difficult, and customers make very subjective and qualitative judgments about your services all the time. Every service organisation needs to have a shared understanding of its long-term aims, enabling your employees to perform appropriately so as to
Yes. Online course students, open lecture number 5. Lecture number 5. Yes. So let's start with the concept of defining the market and ability offers. Now, have you guys heard about the brand Fitbit? Yes. Can anyone of you tell me the evolution of Fitbit? If you don't know, not a problem for me. Take your time for 5 minutes and you can tell me the evolution of Fitbit. Evolution is I'm actually asking that Fitbit has multiple watches. What series are multiple, right? Starting from the basic to the advanced, I think there are approximately 6 to 7 designs which they provide to the customer. Okay, 6 to 7 designs का जो start से लेके end तक जो time period, can you tell me about that? Like what does the basic watch do and what does the advanced watch do today, and what was the basic thing the advanced watch doing? Let's say the 90 to 40 or 5 years. We will talk on that because that is what we are going to talk in today's class. I'm giving you 5 minutes just quickly use it what Fitbit was meant for. Fitbit क्यों आया Indian market में? And second thing, is it an Indian brand? Is it an Indian brand? चलो fine, doesn't ask to चलिए. Online course students, it will ask to you also. It also supposed to reply. बेसिक के बारे में अगर फाइंड आउट करोगे तो भी काफी है. The started a wristband company and eventually to smartwatches. When did they start with smartwatches? And why did they offer so many variants to the customer? ठीक है, so Fitbit when did the company came into existence?
When it started eventually making a distance, but till the time smartwatches had come and people used to love smartwatches more, so they shift on making smartwatches.
The future of smartwatch. Fine. And what about the variants? Like anybody of you found out the number of variants which Fitbit is giving you? Sorry? Starting everything. But just a small gist, like any or the current basic variant which is available in the market. Any of your friend is using it? Huh? Any of your friend is using it? No one? सब लोग iPhone का use करते हैं. It is offering a smartwatch, but even the basic variant which it is offering. Yeah. How many variants?
29 variants that they have released, and some of them are discontinued.
Yeah, many of them are discontinued. They hardly have a few, at least in India, they have only a few of it. But the few which are working, okay, it is having a web connectivity. Now, let's flow with the subject and then you will understand what am I trying to say. First, whenever you are giving a service to the customers, okay, the service has to be defined in two ways. One is how you define the market. Is it actually required in the market or not? स्ट्रॉबेरीज मुंबई में भी बेच रहे हैं. स्पेशलिटी कहाँ का है? महाबलेश्वर. बेच किधर रहे हैं? मुंबई में भी. डेफिनेशन ऑफ द मार्केट.
If I'm not audible, just let me know. Unmute and say, yeah. Unmute and talk somebody. Don't write it in the chat.
Ma'am, now you're audible.
Now I'm audible, and इसके पहले I was not audible. I came to know now. So unmute
Yes,
करके
ma'am.
बोलो, because there are other students. At least they will hear it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait, do I have an option of sharing? One minute. If I could share ITSM PPT from here. Lecture 5. Yeah, I'm able to. Is it visible to you all? This
Yes,
first
ma'am,
slide is
visible.
service and strategy. The second one. Now coming to understanding the constraints. Now let's come to the next one. Now understanding the customer. Is everybody ready to accept organic food? One simple, another important question. How many of you are reading the news of climate change? Okay, so there are hardly of you. Did you know that the Miss Universe was also asked a question on climate change? Yes. Yes, she was asked a question on how would you tackle the problem of climate change which is currently happening. Now, why am I asking you this question? This is nowhere related as great to the subject. Climate change is basically saying that you should stop eating non-vegetarian food and you have to move to the vegan food, right? Now, when this has been saying, understand the customers. Can all of us shift to a vegan diet? Probably not. So every customer is having some or the other constraint in accepting something. Yes. So understanding the customer basically says that you have to understand the constraints of the customer. Probably at times the customer cannot have that much amount of money to invest. एक 20 रुपए भी कभी कभी डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए होता है कि नहीं इट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल सो सेकंड लोकेशन where are you providing these services third at what rate are you providing these services and are you having some kind of a different variation than others so that people will accept the service. Okay. So understanding the customers, if you just see the points, just overlook the points. First, is it giving you any constraint in terms of cost? Is it giving you a value which is different than others? Is some kind of a risk associated with it? Check that. Okay. Example I'll give you. We have gas pipelines now. In many buildings, you would have seen that many societies, you would see that now you no more have those gas cylinders, you have those gas pipelines. Has the Mahanagar Palika understood, okay, that now is the time to shift from those gas cylinders to those gas pipelines? What would be the probable reason? Is it providing you an add-on security? Is the risk minimized or is the risk maximized? If, no. If you observe over here, if you do a thorough understanding over here, you will see that the risk is minimized. But if there turns to be a leakage at any one point, here it turns to be a blast. Okay? And the other case, a small leak also anywhere will halt the complete supply. Okay? Because then the gas flow will not go ahead. So a small leak also will halt the complete supply. So first thing, yes, it is minimizing the risk. So whenever you're giving a service to a customer, you have to also check that are you minimizing the risk to the customer or are you maximizing the risk to the customer? Okay. In India now it has been made compulsory that your car should have those claimable airbags. Airbags should be there for the first two seaters. Okay. This rule was already been made compulsory, but we did not have it applied in the industry. Now, if you see that it has turned to be applied in the industry, that is understanding the customer. The customers have started asking, "Do you have this service with you?" Then we are buying it. If I am investing this much amount, am I getting a return to it? Because it is a concern which is related with your health, with your security. Can you give me any one example wherein the company has tried, the product developer has tried to understand the customer and then prepare a product for it? You can take any small thing. You can think from a vada pav wala to anybody. I don't mind. I need the products. Yes?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I'm listening.
Ma'am, for example, the phone company started using like a MediaTek, like high performance chips for gaming smartphones, like when the craze of PUBG was there initially.
Mm-hmm.
So like
Okay.
they improved on their performance and designed designed the phone to be game centric, like high performance phones like that.
Right. That is one good example. Anybody else?
Then a person started selling plates which are eatable. So he basically reduced the plastic waste.
Reusable eatable.
Eatable.
I don't know this concept. Can you please?
Tea cups are also there that are eatable.
Yeah, teacups I know. It's probably made of those biscuit material, waffle biscuit material. That concept was started in Shivaji Park. I know about Shivaji Park. I don't know, was it started from Shivaji Park or from some other place? Shivaji Park, huh? So understanding the customer was done there. Fine. And what? Which other product would you give me an example? Some good example I want to hear.
An example of Jio, like they first trial the 3 months and they understood the customer and they treated the customers by providing free of cost like more than 1 year.
Okay. Fine. Jio has done that. Okay. So have they? Okay. Let's come to the next point. Sure. Come to the next point of understanding the. ये क्या आया? Understanding the opportunities. Jio had an opportunity to take over the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
How did they use that? What opportunities do they create? क्या किया उन लोगों ने? Do you understand the definition of opportunity? Yes.
Drawing something on correct time, like correct scenario. For example, in current time, if we develop some electrical vehicle or provide some services related to electrical vehicle, it will grow faster as compared to previous time or previous.
Okay, good. There's this one proverb that says that opportunities do come in your life every day. Everything, if you term it out, it turns to be an opportunity. But until and unless you maximize the use of it, that opportunity is never going to be used well. Okay? So opportunities are everywhere. The only thing is that we have to make best use of it. He gave an example of electric vehicles. This year we had an international conference, our college own international conference, okay, VCMT 2021. In that conference, we had called Mr. Uh, Dr. Yashwant Gokhale. You can Google that person right now. Doctor. Now his doctorate degree is also so different. His doctorate is not into philosophy. We use DR for a doctor. Okay, it's not a philosophical doctor. His doctorate is DRING. Matlab, a degree which is related to an engineering profession. A degree which he has got after doing a practical purpose and getting some output of that practical. Okay. Now, why am I telling you about this person? He is one of the person who has been into a wide scale developer, thinker for making the best vehicles, at least for our country. And he had a talk, he was a chief guest for our session. He actually gave us an example that right now, although we are not making up anything, but we are in the process to start making a made in India electric vehicle. Right now, we are buying the parts from different countries. Okay. Eventually, we will be also having a company which will say that, okay, when we say Tesla, Tesla is the one which is coming from US, build up here, and we are using it. Then we would be having our own brand and say it to be, okay, this has been done by us and we are working on it. So he had given this good example about what kind of chemical material has to be utilized to get the market run. So understanding the opportunity since that. Because electrical vehicles के बारे में अगर तुम लोग ने अभी सुना होगा, any friend of you has an electrical vehicle? Okay, what are the drawbacks of it? Have you heard?
Leakage of the battery.
Leakage of the battery is one.
Ma'am, charging of the batteries.
Yes, Karan, sorry.
Ma'am, charging of the batteries, like fast charge
Charging
is
of the
just
battery.
becoming, but if you go somewhere and something happens to the battery or the battery gets drained or something, so you will be stuck at that point only.
Absolutely. Charging of the battery, okay, charging stations, drainage, water, okay. Another most important is the hardware failure. Overall hardware failure के लिए मैकेनिक जो चाहिए उसका इवोल्यूशन हुआ है अपने यहाँ पे अभी तक नहीं. ये सेम प्रॉब्लम हुआ था फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स के टाइम पे एंड हेंस वी हैव गॉट फाइबर ऑप्टिक्स वेरी लेट इन इंडिया. We were working with copper cables since a very long time. We had our human manpower in copper cables only. We did not have a manpower for fiber optics, and hence we got fiber optics very late. Now everybody knows that I have an opportunity. If I ask you guys, how many of you would opt a fiber optic cable? All of you would raise your hand. That's the opportunity which I've got, and I need to train. If I am the vendor, I need to have a manpower. I have to train for giving you that supply. समझ में आ रहा है? ये प्रॉब्लम है. सेम हो रहा है इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल्स के साथ. It's not only about electrical vehicles. I'll give you another example. Axis जो two wheeler है, जो नया वाला आया है, ठीक है, which has the Bluetooth combination and all of it to it, charging points and all. If you also find a mechanic for that, finding a mechanic for that is also difficult because they are been trained to work with the older model of it. This new whichever generation model has come, okay, finding a proper good mechanic is difficult. मेरे पास opportunities बहुत है अपने इंडिया में यही एक प्रॉब्लम. I have a lot of opportunities to get my work done, to learn it. But उसका application जब हम लोग करने जाते हैं, तब application का आउटपुट आने के लिए बहुत टाइम जाता है. Okay. Fine. Come to the next part, which is classify and visualize. Now, when you're creating a value to a customer, you have made him understand that, okay, see, listen, these are the various services which I am offering. Okay. You need to define that which service could be really an important one and which could be not. For example, buying a car. When you buy an insurance for a year, okay, and when you buy an insurance for 2 years or 3 years, do the people actually tell you in terms of cost? देखो अगर अभी अपने बाइक है तो आपको इतना पैसा देना है, अगर इतने साल का बाइक है तो आपको इतना पैसा देना है. वो लोग ऐसे ही तुमको सेल करते हैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट. So that is classify and visualize any given product. So you need to classify it, कौन सा तुमको सेल करवाना है और कौन सा तुमको नहीं सेल करवाना है. सेल में कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स जाते हैं? SEL सेल 50% ऑफ, 2 के ऊपर 1 ले लो, 3 के ऊपर 4 ले लो, whatever. हाँ करण.
And the products which they want to get it over with, like it might be medium to old items that they want to get rid of it.
Products which they actually want to get rid of. Okay, you observe the same thing of the food products. When they are selling you buy one and get one free, just check the manufacturing date. Okay, you will observe this stage. So classify and visualize. Now this is just a strategy. or a vendor. Now I am saying in terms of a vendor. मैं एक vendor हूँ और मैं vendor के हिसाब से बात कर रही हूँ. I'll also tell you this example for hotel industry also. Every small restaurant which is actually trying to sell something free. ये plate ले लो, इसके ऊपर ये free. Okay, until and unless it's a special occasion. And समझ के चलो वो free में कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. समझ में आया ना? Any food product which you are trying to get at a very cheaper rate than the current staggering market rate. Understand the process of making it or the process of the raw material owing it. Something wrong.
For example, coupon codes. 100 rupees off, but उसका कुछ amount रहता है उसमें उतना percentage off होता है. 100 rupees off.
किसमें?
Coupon codes रहते हैं.
Coupon codes.
जब डोमेन नेम्स भी हम लोग जो डोमेन नेम्स बाय करते हैं बोलते हैं लिखा है, बट आगे आके देखो तो एसएसएल का प्राइस, प्रोफेशनल ईमेल का प्राइस सब हाइड करके रखते हैं, बाद में मालूम पड़ता है आगे के प्रोसेस.
See, any valid domain, if you think of buying, okay, that domain has to go somewhere around 2000 rupees. मतलब एक अच्छा डोमेन अगर तुम बाय कर रहे हो जिसमें तुम्हें तुम्हारा ईमेल सर्वर भी चाहिए, तुम्हारा एसएसएल भी चाहिए, पेमेंट गेटवे भी तुमको सिर्फ लिंक करवाने हैं, ठीक है, HTTPS चाहिए, तुम्हारे 2500 2000 काम नहीं है.
Ma'am, everyone provides in 1,000
Next time I would require this service because for our VCMT and research website, I will surely contact you. And now I'm there in the group. I'll just write, guys, contact me. Okay, now I'm giving you a task class. You have to actually develop an offering to me. Develop an offering in the sense you have to sell your product to me. Okay, now how is it that you're going to make your product so damn unique that I should buy the product? So that is basically creating a market space. Market space मतलब क्या? Market में बहुत सारे product vendors हैं. Okay, how many of you are watching the advertisement of Mama Earth? Mama Earth. Have you heard about Mama Earth? Okay. Now, how many of you have heard about Wow Science? So you're hearing about both these brands, right? How did you come to know about these brands? Wow Science also? Mama Earth is YouTubers, influencers, and the people who are using it. And what about Wow Science?
Came after seeing that advertisement.
Which advertisement did you watch? Did you watch Disha Patnani other name? Her advertisement did you watch? Because she is the one and Bhumi Pendekar. These two are the one who are actually giving it for Wow Science. Okay, what and why am I telling you? Both of these products are natural products. That's what they claim. Okay. And they are quite. They are not going to be chemical based, paraben free. Now is the jamana of that SLS free products. ठीक है? Market space बनाने के लिए तुम लोग को ये सब कुछ लिखना पड़ता है या बोलना पड़ता है. अगर तुम लिखोगे नहीं, बोलोगे नहीं, ठीक है? तो कोई तुम्हारे products buy नहीं करने वाले. तो market space में ये चीजें बहुत important है. Second is the cost factor. When you initially want to place yourself in the market, you have to be somewhere lower than something else. Then only people will start buying you. Eventually, you increase your cost, no problem. But how are you going to be different? Example, I'll give you another one. How many of you know about the brand Forest Essentials? Nahi suna. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Heard of it.
Okay, good.
For example, we can take the case study of Patanjali, like how it captured the Ayurvedic.
चलो पतंजलि के बारे में बात करते हैं. So all of you have heard about Patanjali. Why have you heard about Patanjali? Why? My question is why? Was your mother and father telling you, listen, there is a brand name Patanjali, तो सुनो उसकी कहानी. ऐसा था क्या घर में? ऐसा था घर में?
Hello, ma'am.
अच्छा बाबा रामदेव ने सुना तो तुम लोग भी सुन लिया. सही है भाई. तो अभी हम लोग जाते हैं एक वर्चुअल टूर के लिए. चाहिए आपको? Yeah, tell me. But why did you listen about? Why do you know about that brand? Why? They did do an advertisement. Was it a mass scale advertisement? They did not do a mass scale advertisement. In fact, I would refrain from the point that they did advertisement. They started with the advertisement very late. Very late. Earlier, see, this chain began 7 years. This is the 7th year, probably, I believe. They would be there and we would be knowing them. Okay, I had seen the first shop when I was staying at Chembur. We had this shop just down the building, the opposite side of the building. And there it was this Baba Ramdev and Patanjali products. तब मैंने ये product buy किया था, ठीक है? फिर slowly I came to know that there are many vendors who are available in the market who are doing this business. Then when they started having this product, now they know that they have this product and they want to make some image. Then they started with the advertisement of the products. Already people were buying it. They had a huge queue and people were buying it very rampantly without thinking what is the flaws and pros of the product. It was only that बोलते समय और करते समय हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, it is an Ayurvedic product. So naturally वो गया, ठीक है? And Baba Ramdev, उनका वो photo and everything was there on that glass, which is there. कि ये products ऐसे हैं, इतने organic है, शुद्ध है, सब कुछ है, ठीक है? People started buying it because it was at a cheaper rate. One, it was a cheaper rate than the other products. So the 1 rupees का भी अगर difference है, then also it makes a difference. Another, why did it succeed? उनके जो medicines थे, Ayurvedic medicines का जो cost है, check that with the people who are there in the market since ages. Okay, for example, Dabur, Ayurveda में भी है. झंडू आयुर्वेदा में भी है, फिर वो पुणे की वेदशाला, that's another big brand. We don't know about this brand. Okay, they are there in this market for n number of years. Do you know that Himalaya is another brand? छोटे बच्चों को हम लोग काजल लगाते हैं, साई काजल. Okay, they are your, now I am 30 plus, मतलब उतने सालों से, and my grandmother is knowing it. Do you understand the time scale they are there in the market? Capturing all of them is a task. Okay? And you making a product and taking a risk of competing with the people who are there in the industry for the last 30 plus years. Matlab, you have to do so damn well study of the market. Okay? The market space ऐसे ही नहीं बनता. कल तुम लोग अगर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी बने, तुम्हारे इसमें होगे कोई ना कोई ई-सेल में, राइट? एंड यू हैज प्लान टू बिकम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि हम कहाँ पे वो शॉप या वो एंटिटी डालेंगे एंड उसमें हम लोग क्या सेल करेंगे और क्यों सेल करेंगे. देयर आर पीपल देयर, बट व्हाई विल आई सेल इट? शार्क टैंक्स इज दैट ओनली. अगर ये सब्जेक्ट को तुम लोग रिलेट करोगे उसके साथ, वी आर नो डिफरेंट, वी आर दैट ओनली. फाइन, द ओनली थिंग इज वी आर मेकिंग यूज ऑफ आईटी इन दिस. ओके, चलो, कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. You understood the market, fine. You started delivering products in the market. Now, you get some feedback for the products. Yes. So when you get some feedback for the products, what feedback would you take and move ahead? Example, Patanjali. सबको पता है, सबके घर में वो products आ चुके हैं. पर कभी तुम लोग ने तुम्हारी मम्मी से सुना है क्या कि यार ये ऐसा होता तो और बेटर होता? क्या था? Any product, चलो, forget about Patanjali. Any product which your mother said that okay, if this product would have been like this, it would have been much better. किसके लिए ऐसे मम्मी ने बोला होगा कभी? मम्मी, पापा, होटल का खाना, that's good. हाँ, वो एक पॉइंट है. नमक कम है. What?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, क्या बोला तू? शादी का कार्ड। अच्छा। खाना। अरे शादी का खाना अच्छा, थोड़ा और अच्छा होता तो ठीक है। वो कजर तुम्हारी शादी में पूरी कर। Okay, tell me, come on, one example for outcome-based definition of service. Where your parents have said, your friends have said, or where you yourself have said, that, okay, yeah, this could have been much better. हाँ? iPhone की बैटरी तो अच्छी है यार. I don't have a problem.
Hello, ma'am.
agree with this. ये पहले था, अभी तुम्हारे जमाने में नहीं है. पहले जब कोथमीर बाय करने के लिए जाते थे, तब पुदीना और कड़ी पत्ता फ्री मिलता था. मेरे मार्केट में बंद हो गया. My mother, yes, at that point of time we used to get it. But now when I am going and buying it, कुछ भी नहीं, तो कोथमीर ही देता है. Okay, that is an outcome-based service. Good point. Although it's a local market example, but अच्छा point है. और बाकी बोलो. हाँ? Movie में क्या? Okay. You understood the market and then you come to know that okay, the feedback was not that great and now I need to make some changes. But movie बनने के बाद उसमें मैं changes नहीं कर सकती. तो उसका जब next part 2, part 3 आएगा तो उसमें मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. Here I'm talking that I have a product with me and the next replica of the product, but the next cycle of the product to be coming, I can make a change into it. Example which we started today morning, Fitbit is one of that examples. Same basic model, they try to make changes into it. Updates जो आते हैं, वो updates तुम्हारे actually changes. जियो फोन का हाँ ये एक है. उनका जब फोन आया था, तब it was not giving the options of getting connected to a laptop, although it could act as a router. So that could be an add-on which they could do to their product. But they are not doing it because they're very smart.
स्मार्टफोन में था, अभी सेकंड जियो फोन लॉन्च किया वो स्मार्टफोन.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ करण.
Ma'am, in the Jio phone, you can't put any other operator SIM card. That is also a drawback on that.
That is a CDMA. It's more over like a CDMA phone.
Ah, yes.
Operators.
GSM and CDMA.
CDMA. So they are acting as a CDMA operator. Tata का phone पहले वैसे था. The first phone which I used, it was a CDMA phone.
Okay.
So after CDMA, then the next phone which I started using was a GSM.
GSM, yes, ma'am.
So Tata का product is one of it. Okay. Now, coming to the last part of the study. अभी एक शादी के ऊपर इसने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि शादी का खाना अच्छा होता तो अभी अज्यूम करो अफनान की शादी कुछ सालों के बाद हो जाएगी, ठीक है? तो अफनान on this dialogue with money. So when you go to this wedding venue, okay? At this wedding venue, you will see that they give you multiple options. See, this is our service catalog. Our service catalog is something which has too much of details about whatever services the person is providing. So the venue is going to provide you with n number of services. Out of the n number of services, you would be selecting only a few depending upon which are in your budget. There will be certain services which they don't even provide. I'll give you an example. Mumbai University. पहले जब document verification करना था, ठीक है? Document verification के लिए you had to go to the students department at Churchgate. Now they have started with the same documentation process online, so you no more have to go there. मतलब उन्होंने एक सर्विस पूरी तरह से बंद कर दिया. One service is completely neglected or it is switched off, and they have prepared a new service where you upload your document. Your document is going to get verified. You will get a seal on your document, and they will upload a new PDF for your document. Okay. The service catalog is what? A list of services which any service provider is providing you. उसमें से there would be some services which would not work. Why there would be some which works? Some completely neglected. They are more into railway, like trains का अगर तुम लोग देखोगे, कुछ ट्रेन्स पे जा रहे थे वो completely बंद करके होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पे either there is no improvement in the graph, okay, or the frequency might have got changed. So these are the examples of your service catalog. So what things did we study today? We studied two things. One, in understanding the market. Second, how you offer in the market, right? And how these services are different from somebody else. They're only really value. Okay. That's it for the day. And then sign here. You all can exit from the online mode. If you are there in the online mode, kindly exit. You can also relate. अभी ये JioMart होता, DMart से तुम लोग relate करो. कितने सारे vendors market में हैं. DMart is a vendor which is only in this side, मतलब ये Manduk side, right? Navi Mumbai Manduk side and this. They have this big places, right? I was just reading this case video of DMart a few days ago. And why is he into profit? His rule is initially started with very few places. After starting with few places, he did not rent those places. He actually bought those places. And when he bought those places, the value of the place is going to go up. Second, whatever profits he was getting, right? The profits margin time and giving that money back to the vendor, जिससे मैंने buy किया है, that gave additional discounts. And that additional discount made it much better in the economy. तब उसने अगर मेरे से oil buy किया and today I'm giving him at a rate of 3% off, he was recovering that money in the stipulated time period of 1 week. 1 week में वो मुझे पैसा मेरा return दे रहा है. So now ये 3% का क्या बन गया? 4% and 3.5% बन गया. तो वो तुमको sell करना है कितने percent पे? 2% पे ही sell करना है. मतलब उसके पास अभी कितना टक्का गया? 1.5. Buy in bulk, and that's the reason they get so much discount. And now they have come up in Mumbai also, just as a beginning point, giving the same rate as what they give in the main centers.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, Karan, speak.
Ma'am, DMart ka bhi one more thing is that they have opened that delivery outlet. Like
Yes,
if you place
absolutely.
order and you deliver it.
That's what I was saying. The delivery outlet is one of the things which is helping them to grow. Because the
Yeah.
rates what they give for the delivery outlets, okay, those rates are the one which you get in the shop, मतलब the main DMart stores.
हाँ.
Okay. Yeah.